Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America with a massive development in the Trump, Stormy Daniels, Alvin Bragg hush money case in New York City. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. And it's no secret that former President Donald Trump is furious about what's going on in New York. He believes, and I believe with him, that if he wasn't Donald Trump, if he was just somebody else, especially not a Republican, he wouldn't be dealing with this case as it is. However, sometimes he speaks too much, and that can cause him issues. We have to be honest about that, guys. Sometimes he causes his own issues. That was the case on the second day of the trial, possibly, when he spoke to reporters and admitted that he put down the Stormy Daniels payment as a legal expense. Now, legal analysts are saying that that video could be shown to the jury and could be very damaging for Trump. I want you guys to watch this video and then let me know what you think. Please let me know what you think when you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm Carmine Sabia for Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.
Jessica, I mentioned what some of the former president had to say outside of court today about the alleged hush money payments at the heart of the case. I just want to play a clip of that.
I was paying a lawyer and marked it down as a legal expense. Some accountant, I didn't know, marked it down as a legal expense. That's exactly what it was. And you get indicted over that?
So that
Is that incriminating?
Yeah, so that was an interesting statement. I don't think we should overstate how incriminating it was. I mean, his name, he signed some of the checks to Michael Cohen reimbursing him for these fees. When he started to say, I marked it down as legal expenses, my ears perked up because it's been a little bit unclear exactly how the state is going to prove that Trump falsified the records because many of these entries may have been made by the accountants for the Trump organization. And Cohen is apparently going to testify that Trump was part of the scheme to falsify. It seemed there that Trump was saying that he marked it down as legal expenses, and then it seemed like he caught himself and said the accountants marked it down. So he may still argue that he was essentially relying on the advice of the accountants, or the accountants entirely on their own were marking it down as legal expenses.
But remember, the whole case is about the falsification of these business records. And, you know, Trump has potentially the argument, look, I run a multi-billion-dollar company. I don't know how the accountants, how the bookkeepers record things. That's going to be a big issue in the case. How is the government going to prove that Trump knew and initiated, or at least supported, the idea that these payoffs were recorded as legal fees? He said, mark them down. Now, you know, as Jessica said, he sort of caught himself, but, you know, that video could be played before the jury, no question.